Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have a product from Zebre. This is an Apple Watch Series 7 case protector. It's a clear case. We do have an Apple Watch here. And it's a 3-pack. It's about $7 to $8. They have two versions, one for the 41mm and the 44mm. So let's just get straight into it. So you do get 3 of these, like I said. And then you also have a user manual in here. So it just shows you to remove the band, clean the screen, put the watch button into a protective case first to make sure the top of the watch is... I had a trouble time disassembling it because I already tried this out. I had a very difficult time, and that's what happened. I just ended up ripping it almost. We're gonna go ahead and get a brand new one. This time we're gonna follow the instructions. So we're gonna make sure our screen is cleaned. I'm gonna get a microfiber. So our screen is cleaned. All right, we should be good. So it says to put in the edge where the button is, basically the crown first. But first we have to take off the watch band. So I probably have to clean it again, huh? So what this case will help with is scratch resistance, a little bit of drop protection. So it says you just lift this part up, insert the crown first, and then fit it over the edge like that. And then you just pull this a bit, and then you slide it, and we're done. So fairly simple. And that's pretty much the installation process. So you can see the screen, and then you can put the band back on. Then we can put it on our wrist, and there we go. That's what it looks like. So it does give a little tiny bit of a bulk. It's not a huge case though, which is nice. So if you do want some protection, then you can use this. The button is pretty nice though. It's very silent now for the power or the menu. Alright, so I've been using this for a few days now. I wanted to give you my overall thoughts and opinions of it. So it doesn't add a whole lot of bulk, right? It gets easier to type on. I haven't used a case in a while, so I don't really know what it's about. It's more responsive than I thought. It gets some time to get used to. You just have to keep using it for a while, but it does work, as you can see. So it's really good. I like that the buttons are a lot less loud, and they're a lot more accurate. They're easier to find as well. The button before was a little flush. This one right here, it's a little easier because it's a little ridged. I want to go ahead and show you the scratch resistance on this and nicking. So if you were to drop your phone, if you were to drop your case or whatever, that's that. I have a ceramic blade here, which is very sharp. I'll just show you how sharp it is. See? It cut right through that already. I'll go ahead and show you again. It's a very sharp blade. Very sharp blade. So if we go ahead and just scratch this a bit, you can see it has some scratch marks there, obviously. But if we were to take off the case, and as you can see, no scratches. Let me just wipe this down. Flawless. No nicks, no cracks, nothing. So if you want to keep your investment in pristine condition, get one of these. They're very inexpensive, as you can see. It's fairly thick as well, so you will be good on that. It does keep the color of your Apple Watch as well, and it comes with 3. So if you want to use multiple, change them out every so often or whatever, you can do that. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, that's the review. I'll probably put another one on after this video. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.